Hi, I'm Thao and I'm from Vietnam. Welcome to the first episode of YSEALI TV. We're back for the 6th US ASEAN Women's Leadership Academy, and this is the first time the Women's Leadership Academy is held virtually. I'm so excited to be a part of this year's Academy, together with other participants from Southeast Asia, to not only broaden our network, but also to flourish personally and professionally. So let's take a look at what we've been up to for the past couple of weeks.
The Women's Leadership Academy serves as a platform to connect and transpire a group of powerful women leaders.
The first day started with opening remarks by the Charge d'Affaires of the U.S. Mission to ASEAN, Melissa A. Brown.
Later in the afternoon, we got to hear up close and personal from the ambassadors to ASEAN from Malaysia, Singapore, Canada, and Thailand as they share their journey as women leaders. The workshop continued with sessions that focused on self-awareness. Through group exercises as well as personal reflection, participants learned about their leadership styles and discovered the type of leaders they want to be.
Building women leaders globally is what really is my passion.
I was looking for a community where, as a woman, I could just connect in a meaningful way.
Participants were also invited to understand the gender and
Women's empowerment
issues in the region.
Improve young female from rural area to strengthen their confidence
in order to be able to study, get an opportunity
To support and help them build their business idea.
The week then continued with sessions that invited experts, senior professionals, and leaders from a wide variety of backgrounds who took the role as mentors and led the participants through small group discussions that helped better resolve the challenges and opportunities of their own leadership styles.
So it's been a very productive couple of weeks. But of course, there are more activities and sessions in the Academy that I'm personally looking forward to. I feel so inspired by all these amazing women's leaders who are going to inspire others to lead the change together. So stay tuned for more coverage on Women's Leadership Academy here on YSEALI TV.